What if you could post on all your social media accounts, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and more with just one click? No copy pasting, no jumping between apps, just upload once and it goes everywhere. In today's video, I'll show you how to use one tool that lets you publish a single piece of content to multiple social platforms automatically with just one click. I'll walk you through everything step by step. The best part? You can try it totally free using the link in the description. Step 1. Create your account. First, click the link in the description to go to the sign up page. Once you're on the site, click the Start Free Trial button in the top right corner. A page will appear where you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email address, whatever's easiest for you. With the free trial, you'll get 14 days to use the platform. During that time, you can publish up to 10 videos or audios to your favorite social platforms, completely free. Once you're in, you'll land in the dashboard. And that's where the real magic starts. Let's move on to the setup. Step 2. Connect your social media platforms. From the dashboard, go to the Connections tab. Click Add a Connection and select your source, e.g., TikTok, Instagram, or a podcast feed. Then link your account. Then add your destinations like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, or Google Drive, and link your account again. You can connect multiple platforms at once. Step 3. Create your workflow. Now let's create your first automation. This is the key step that tells the platform where to grab your content from and where to send it. After connecting your social media platforms, click on Create Workflow. You'll be asked to choose a workflow type. For most people, start with Repurpose Future Content. This means anytime you upload new content, it'll automatically get published elsewhere within 2 hours. Next, choose your source platform. This is where your content is coming from, e.g., Instagram. Then choose your destination platform, where you want the content to be posted, e.g., YouTube. Once both are selected, click Create Workflow. Boom. You've just automated your first social media posting workflow. Use the content calendar inside Repurpose to schedule posts at the perfect time for each platform. Want to try this for yourself? Click the link below to start your free trial and set up your Post Everywhere system in minutes. It's one of the easiest ways to automate your entire content distribution workflow. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. I'm happy to help you get your setup running. Thanks for watching.